Hey guys, so I've kindly been sent this Falcon gimbal. It's a 3-way axis gimbal for action cameras. So I'm going to test this out on the GoPro Hero 9. I'm going to open it up, try it out and give you my initial thoughts on it. So let's dive in. Okay, so it comes with some instructions. Let's see what's in here. Some accessories, I think. It's an Allen key, but that's probably just to tighten it onto the action camera. Allen key, USB-C cable, another Allen key, and we'll set this up later. Just a little pouch to put it all in. A little tripod thing you can open up like so. And then we have the gimbal itself. So get this out. As you can see, it's got some buttons there. It's got a camera button, record button, timer button. I assume that's so you can control something. Not sure what at the moment. It's got a record button, and manual on there, and a charger, and obviously a little thing there. But the action camera must go on this part here. So you can see the GoPro part there. Get that on, and I'll just try that out now and then show you what it's like with the GoPro on. So I've managed to attach the GoPro to the gimbal itself. You have these screws here. See that one there, and then there's these two screws here that you have to adjust. And you want to make it like balance nicely, just normal, just so it balances a bit. And then you want to hold on you can connect this to the gimbal itself, so you can do like take shots there and start recording. I've not done that for this. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to use this gimbal and just show you how it works. So if you want to turn this on, just hold the power button there. So you want to hold this down here. It turns on, and then you can see it take over. So let me just demo that again. Turn it off, so you can see it's loose. And if I go hold that down, you can see it firing up. And then when you move it just holds it in the center like that. You can lock it. There's 3 settings. There's like, you tap this button here, hold and lock. There's also double tap to revert to last position, and then a third one. So if I just lock it there, so you can see it holds the position, and double tap reverts position. So, and then you can control it with this, with the lock, and it locks it. Do it that way, this way. So yeah, it's pretty cool actually. So then when you've got it in the position you want, just lock it, and then it will hold that position for you. So I'm just going to move that back up into the normal position, lock it, and you can see it working there. So I think this is great. It seems to be working fantastic. It's keeping it steady. Even if I'm moving, it'll hold it there. You do some good B-roll with that because you can lift it up without it shaking. What I'm going to do now, I've shown you briefly how this gimbal works. Quite easy to set up once you know what you're doing. Holds it steady. I'm going to do some walking around outside with the GoPro itself to show you how it works, see what you think. that's it really, just a quick demo of it, show you how good it is. This is the first time I've used the gimbal, so I think it's pretty cool how it works. And then if I just turn this off now, at the moment the gimbal's off, just lurching around a bit, and now I'm walking. Now I'm going to turn it on. Okay, so now it should be a lot smoother. I'm just walking along. You can lock it in using the lock button and let go. I'm going to rotate it using the stick itself, and then I'm going to push it up and get the horizon right, and then I'm going to lock it. So now it's locked. Now it should be crystal smooth, even though I'm moving my arm, I should be keeping that position. And now I'm going to try running and see what that's like. Now this is, I'm not expecting the best out of this, but I'm just running just to demo what it's like, and it should be pretty good. I'll just stop running, back to walking. I'm going to let go of the lock button, rotate it a bit, lift it up again, rotate it that way, up, to the left, to the right, and lock on again. So, carry on walking. So I think this is pretty smooth. Easy to use. I'm not using it with the, not connected to the camera via Bluetooth, because I didn't want to set that up. I'm just testing out the gimbal itself. I'm happy to just turn it on normally, but you can use the buttons to start the camera and stop the camera. So yeah, all in all, I think it's pretty good. It's holding that position even though I'm completely moving. You can see, holding that position. So I think it's pretty good. Right. So that was the test I was on about earlier. I'll link this down below in the description if you want to get one for yourself. But yeah, I think it's pretty impressive. First time I've used the gimbal, and so to be honest I haven't got anything to compare it with, but my first impressions are it's pretty simple to use. Just don't make the mistake I did, where I didn't even turn on the gimbal, so I didn't know how it would work. I thought it just did it mechanically, but obviously it uses the battery and the motors to keep it steady. So that's something I wasn't aware of. Right guys, well, hopefully this is useful, and I will see you in the next one.